45 people.
You see it. Yeah, I'm on the red carpet. Red carpet treatment, red carpet therapy. I'm about to come out and stare at me real quick. Finding a motherfucker. It be like that. Smoke a whole tree like that. Let me show y'all something real quick. Alright. This is my first time seeing this shit right here. Dark Corona shit. This shit lit. This shit different than me. Shit gonna have me really spitting and tripping and chilling and shit. It's kinda hot. I'm gonna take this one mink off, you know. I can mink best. You know how I be.
So, Tila, I was there. I think the community smoke breaks all want to.
Right, do what you want to do.
I was like, when I start working from home.
Right, work from home. Set up businesses. Get it right. Chop it up with y'all. I usually be spitting. I'm gonna chop it up with y'all. So I got going on today. Keep them positive vibes, man. Motherfuckers ain't vibing right the fuck from around them. You don't need that negativity. People is trained, literally trained, to keep you being able to use your God-given power, your God-given gifts. God gave you gifts. Birthright shit. Motherfuckers trying to dim your light. Don't let nobody dim your light. You'll be able to feel that shit in your chest, your stomach. You'll be able to feel it. The vibe ain't right. Fuck from on, I'm guy. Vibe ain't right. You ain't got time for that. 2023, you doing big. You gotta do big things. Gotta put this city on the map. This Rock City, man. Flower City. The Queen used to fuck with the flower. That's why it's called Flower City. A lot of people don't even know that. That sign and symbols everywhere. Rochester was thriving. Big business. Kodak didn't accept digital. Simple shit. It was in dim Kodak lights. Kodak would accept the digital, Rochester would have been in shit. Why the fuck Jay-Z and them sitting up there throwing up the rock and shit? We the rock. 585 is the rock. New York City in this bitch. You tell him I said it. Up the rock. Diamonds. It's New York shit. Shit, fuck all that. We shit. You know how many years Rochester been the murder capital of New York? Fuck that murder capital shit. We need to change that shit to money capital. These stores closing out early because they scared and shit. They scared to make money. They need to get his money. Got people like me wandering the streets like a lost Israelite because I ain't got nothing to do. All the stores closed. Got me looking crazy out here because I don't want to go to sleep because shit, I can sleep when I die. For real. I rest. I take naps, cat naps. Learned it from one of my pet cats. I'm saying, you see me, so I do it for the hood. Everybody that see me know I do it for the hood. You know, I do it for the kids, do it for the children, charity. I'm a Mason. That's part of my obligation. Charitable donations. I'm talking about this blood shit too. Yeah, they go against the game, but they can't do nothing about nations.
Oh, what a bar.
Right.
That's
why one's out. Yeah, UBN, y'all. Oh yeah, United Blood Nations. Okay, yeah, take it back to where it used to be. Family ties. Happened to the family. There wasn't gangs. There was originally set up to protect the community. Police was out there shooting people just like they doing now. They was out here protecting and policing the community. Now, what's going on? Now out here banging and false flagging and out here doing stupid shit. Using y'all strength and numbers to do dumb shit. Now we need to be building shit up. Now you start always talking about the G-Shine coming in here banging people out. Now, why is y'all banging people out and having them fold their flags? Now each one teach one. Ain't that how it's supposed to be? We could really be deep. Each one teach one. Grab somebody, put them up under your wing. You see the wings? Put somebody up under your wing. Smile on somebody's face. What y'all doing shit now is a disgrace. Let me smack the taste out your face.
Oh shit. What a bird.
I be out selling freebase. That fentanyl out of shit. Y'all killing y'all customers and shit. Dumbass motherfuckers. I get that fentanyl out of shit, man. Make drugs great again. Stop selling them, period. That's what they brought. They brought that shit into the fucking black community any damn way. That's the main reason I stopped selling it back in the day. Am I lying? Did I say anything lying? Did I lie about anything? Period. Point blank, period. Like the eye in the pyramid. I ain't hearing it.
Oh shit.
Period. Bloody Sue Woo. Fuck you wanna do? Call your crew. Bang out your whole set. Dolo. I shoot a 31 with your whole set.
That'd be too easy. I get free gunfire.
I don't give a fuck. Shit, black eye, bloody nose. I don't give a fuck. Shit, I'll let it tell it. Shit, I'm still gonna be that same OG. Shit need to change out here. Like Pac made that song, you don't see no change. Y'all gonna let Tupac down, you know, let all legends down, the people that died. If y'all go to school and all this, and y'all out here doing dumb shit. Why is y'all out here doing dumb shit?
Let me do it.
Pose too. I'll give you free will. I'm not gonna try to take it from you. Shit. Do what you do. I do what I do. That's how we do it. Just run through a whole cruise. I don't give a fuck.
You sure did with your freaky ass.
I don't know.
How many kids you got?
Oh man. God children. If I could, man, I get rich, I'm gonna die from them. I'm trying to adopt all the children. I'm Godfather for real.
He's so special.
Taking godson, goddaughter application. I was just chilling on the block with some little youngins real quick. Schooled them on some stuff. They left happy. They on a whole nother vibration now. School about to be different for them. For real. I'm like, what did you do? What did y'all do today? Y'all put smile on somebody's face? Y'all make somebody's day? That was my purpose, to get up and make somebody's day. Every time I leave the house, I start grabbing shit. I don't even need no more. Like shit, I might just get this to somebody, get out of the way. I was in the hood just giving away Bluetooth speakers, all type of shit, just giving them away. Son, I need them. Son, fire sticks for Black and Miles. There's one to Black and Miles. I ain't need to do that shit. Look at me. I need to do that shit. When you're a street nigga, when you're a real OG street nigga, you don't even need money. Streets feed you. Streets bless you. You show love. Show love. I always try to give people more and more value than I expected I could ever receive in return. That's how you do it. Show love. Bring anybody in and give them a plate. If they fuck up and violate it, they do some funny shit. Now you gotta go. That's your loss. Try to feed, try to work with you. Now what? Bullshit. Shit.